Hey guys, touch delay everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan changkol. Tibetan changkol usually we make on Tibetan New Year. First day we having this changkol. So I'm going to show you how to make this recipe. And ingredient we need very simple. We need water, butter and dry cheese, sugar, chang, and 2 eggs. These all we need. It's very simple, and let's get started how to make. So here I'm going to heat the little bit oil, and first I'm going to deep fry for dry juice and deep fry for low heat, otherwise it will easily run. Next, I'm going to make omelette. Now you need to make 5 pieces. Okay, now I'm going to add the butter. Melt the butter properly. Here my butter already melted. Now I'm going to add the chang. Okay, next I'm going to add water. Add sugar. Now add a little dry cheese. Here I already deep fried cheese. This is optional. If you like deep fry, you can. If you don't like, you can skip. This is your wish. Next, I'm going to add khapse. How much you want, you can add. And boil for few minutes. You don't need to cook over because you already cooked all the ingredients. So just for few minutes I'm going to add. So if you guys want to know how to make chang recipe and khapse recipe, you can check it out in my channel. Recently I upload. So guys, now my changkol is ready. Here you go. This is my final result. Changkol is ready. So if you like my changkol recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my changkol recipe. And we'll see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. And Losar touch delay.